Hello, my name is Kim Milley, and I'm an account executive here at Tierney. I represent large format printing and 3D printing.
And my name is Chad Oman, and I'm account executive here at Tierney, and I represent wide format printing and 3D printing.
Most of what we offer here can be utilized in schools, in architects and engineering, manufacturing, and even for those 3D enthusiasts. Some of the most frequently asked questions are, how do I know what to use the 3D printer for? What do I need a 3D printer for? If you're in a school, we actually have curriculum. We have curriculum that goes with all of our 3D printers. Not only do we have curriculum, we also have a professional development team that's here to help you in the event that you want to have several of your teachers train and incorporate 3D printing into your curriculum. Some of the questions people also ask is, what about the smell that comes off of the filaments? Or is it dangerous for my school to be printing filaments? I've heard that the VOCs are dangerous. The most popular types of filament to use would be the PLA. PLA is a plant-based, biodegradable filament. It's made from corn byproducts and also some other biodegradable materials. So this particular filament is the one that's most commonly used in schools because it doesn't give off VOCs, so you can actually dispose of it and not feel bad sending it to the landfills. So if you're asking me, what printer do I start with? Well, if you're in a school and you're, let's just say K through 6, I would try to stay with a smaller print bed, meaning maybe a 6x6 build plate. The power of instant gratification goes really far with children. If you have a classroom with 30 people and everybody wants to print something, you want to keep your build size down. You want to keep your cost down. And in doing so, you can do that by having the smaller printers in your classroom. That way you're limiting the size of the print. It takes less time to print it because it's smaller, and then each student will be able to print something. As you get up in grades, you might want to go to a larger print bed, and basically you could do multiples of smaller objects or a little bit larger object. Think about some of those things, some of the costs that you're incurring, some of the products that you want to make, how large you want to make. We also have 3D printers that go up to 18 inches tall, so if there's something that you want to create in one piece that's 18 inches, we can accommodate that as well.
All of our 3D printers will integrate with pretty much any STEM and STEAM project, so contact us today to figure out the best one that's going to fit right in your classroom.